Hey guys, so this video I think only is going on my YouTube channel, but just so you guys know, I'm just doing a quick, it's a book unboxing, so don't mind the very short video. So I had actually postponed this subscription like 3 months, 4 months, I think. It is actually book of the month. It's $14.99 a month, unless you start out, I think it's like $9.99. So it gives you like a nice little code. So this is what is, well, besides the book is on the table. This is what it usually looks like inside, and then there's a book and everything. It says, "You've got great taste, book of the month." And then it gives you a little card. It says book of the month and where were you? Where were we? So it's like a little bookmark, which is kind of nice. But yeah, like I said, it's like $14.99 a month. You get to pick a book and then like 2 other add-ons. So this month I chose the Lost Apothecary. This is what it looks like, and it's a novel by Sarah Penner. So I'm excited. Honestly, I am like way behind on my reading, but here is like a map. I don't know much about this book. It says that it is a forgotten history, a secret network of women, a legacy of poison and revenge. Welcome to the Lost Apothecary. It's hidden in the depths of 18th century, so it's based on the 18th century in London, which sounds actually really interesting. Honestly, I just picked a video, or not a video, a book, and like I wasn't really reading the descriptions. So, I mean, this seems really interesting. I think if you guys don't mind, I'll probably like, well, I'm reading Think Like a Monk right now. So when, I'll just like, whenever I start reading this book, or I mean, if you guys want me to, I can easily just like talk about each chapter, write little notes and stuff about that. But if you guys decide to get book of the month, it's $14.99 a month, like I said. And then after that, if you do any add-ons, it's like $9.99 for each other book. So you can get 2 other books as add-ons, and then of course you can like add another account. But yeah, like I think it's a pretty good deal. The original price for this book is $27.99, so I only paid $14.99 for my book credit, and this is the book I got. So here is the price right there. So it says $27.99, and I paid $14.99. So exciting. So if you guys don't mind, please like, subscribe, and also comment on my video if you absolutely do not mind. I greatly appreciate it. I do have a goal to reach 110 at the end of this month. Excuse me. So be sure to watch out for my other videos. I'll be posting my makeup video from this morning, and then I'm also going to be posting another one real quick. So if you guys have questions, just let me know, and I hope you all have a good night. Bye.